Welcome to Trusted Wellness, your source for trusted tips and guidance for a brighter, healthier life after 50. Discover expert advice, simple routines, and inspiring stories, all designed to help you live your best years with confidence and vitality. Have you ever stood at the foot of a staircase and hesitated, thinking to yourself, maybe I'll just take the elevator today? Or perhaps you felt a little less steady when reaching for something high on a shelf, wondering when simple things began feeling just a bit harder. If you're in your 60s or 70s, you're certainly not alone. I hear these stories every week, whispered in my office or shared over a cup of tea. Many people quietly notice these small changes, the moments when strength seems to slip away, making everyday life just a little more challenging. But here's something many don't realize. Losing muscle isn't just a normal part of aging you have to accept. It's actually a real medical condition called sarcopenia, a gradual loss of muscle that can creep up on anyone past midlife. And the best news? This isn't something you have to surrender to. Science now shows that even after 60 or 70, you can fight back, starting with the foods you eat every day. As a doctor who has spent decades working closely with seniors, I've witnessed amazing transformations. Patients who once struggled to carry groceries or keep up with their grandchildren are now moving with greater confidence, all thanks to simple changes in their diet and routine. Today, I want to share with you 7 everyday foods that can help rebuild muscle, restore your energy, and keep you strong for all the moments that matter most. Let's begin by understanding what's really happening beneath the surface. There's a hidden thief that visits us as the years go by. Its name is sarcopenia, and it silently steals away our muscle year after year. It's not dramatic at first. Maybe you notice you can't carry as many shopping bags as before, or your steps feel a touch heavier. But after 60, muscle loss can speed up, making us more likely to lose balance, fall, or even struggle with simple tasks like getting up from a chair. This change isn't just about how we look. It touches nearly every part of daily life. Muscles are what help us stay independent, keep our posture tall, and move with confidence. When we lose them, our bodies feel weaker, and our spirits can too. But here's the hopeful part. I've seen patients turn this around, sometimes in ways that surprise even them. With the right foods and just a bit of movement, you can slow, and sometimes even reverse, this process. Picture yourself carrying groceries with ease, playing with your grandkids without a second thought, or enjoying your favorite hobbies again. That's the power of good nutrition, paired with smart habits. So what should be on your plate? Let's dive in. First up, high-quality lean meats, such as chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef. Imagine your muscles as a brick wall, strong, but over time, some bricks start to crumble. The protein in lean meats gives your body the building blocks it needs to patch up those missing bricks and rebuild what's lost. Here's something many people don't realize. As we age, our bodies actually need more protein to get the same effect as when we were younger. That means it's more important than ever to include a palm-sized portion of lean meat at lunch or dinner. Don't worry if chewing tougher cuts is a challenge. Try ground meats or slow-cooked stews, which are much easier to eat and just as nutritious. Lean meats also come packed with vital nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which support everything from energy to mental clarity. So whether it's a tender chicken breast, a slice of roast beef, or a turkey stew, making lean meats a regular part of your meals is a powerful step toward maintaining muscle strength. But what if you want something different, or you're looking for even more benefits? That brings us to our second food, fatty fish. Fatty fish Think salmon, mackerel, and sardines are true superfoods for seniors. Not only do they offer high-quality protein, but they're brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation. Think of inflammation as a kind of rust that gradually weakens your muscles from the inside out. Omega-3s help clean up that rust, keeping muscles healthier and more resilient. I often encourage my patients to enjoy fish 2 or 3 times each week. Grilled salmon with fresh herbs, a mackerel salad, or even canned sardines on whole grain toast. These are simple, tasty ways to get your fish fix. If you find the taste of fish isn't for you, don't worry. Talk with your doctor about omega-3 supplements. These can be an easy way to get the same muscle-protecting benefits. Beyond muscle, omega-3s are also linked to better brain health, lower risk of heart disease, and even improved mood. It's no wonder that cultures known for healthy aging, like those in the Mediterranean and Japan, make fish a regular part of their diet. Let's move on to the third powerhouse on our list: eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most perfect foods, affordable, easy to cook, and packed with high-quality protein. Each egg contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and repair. And don't skip the yolk. That golden center is a treasure trove of vitamin D and choline, both vital for muscle and nerve health. Many people worry about cholesterol, but for most healthy seniors, a couple of eggs at breakfast is not only safe, but beneficial. Scrambled, boiled, or gently poached, eggs are soft, easy to eat, and can be prepared in countless ways. Starting your day with eggs gives you the steady energy and protein your muscles crave. For those who prefer a lighter breakfast, try a simple egg salad or add a sliced boiled egg to your morning toast. If you have trouble with appetite, eggs can be a gentle way to get big nutrition without a heavy meal. On to our fourth recommendation: dairy products. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are two of my go-to recommendations for seniors looking to support muscle health. These dairy foods are rich in protein and a special amino acid called leucine, which acts like a foreman on a construction site, telling your muscles to grow and rebuild. Greek yogurt is especially versatile. Enjoy it with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts for breakfast or as a satisfying snack. Cottage cheese pairs beautifully with fruit or can be blended into smoothies for a creamy boost. Both are easy to digest and often better tolerated than milk for those who are sensitive. Dairy also provides calcium and vitamin D, essential for strong bones, which work hand in hand with your muscles. If you're lactose intolerant, look for lactose-free versions or try fortified plant-based yogurts made from soy or almonds. Don't forget the fifth food on our list: beans and lentils. Plant-based proteins like beans and lentils are often overlooked, but they are a fantastic way to support both muscle and digestive health. These little powerhouses are full of protein and fiber, which helps keep your digestion regular and your blood sugar stable. Beans and lentils are incredibly affordable, easy to store, and can be added to soups, stews, or salads. A simple lentil soup, a chickpea salad, or a hearty bean chili not only fills you up, but helps nourish your muscles too. For those who worry about meatless meals being less satisfying, try mixing beans with lean meats or fish for a hearty, balanced dish. And if you're new to beans, start with small portions to let your body adjust. Next, let's talk about whole grains. Whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are more than just a source of energy. They help your body use protein efficiently and provide the steady fuel your muscles need for daily activities. Unlike refined grains, which can cause energy spikes and crashes, whole grains release their energy slowly, keeping you energized and focused. They're also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. Oatmeal with fruit for breakfast, a quinoa salad at lunch, or a slice of whole grain toast with your eggs are all easy ways to work more whole grains into your day. For those sensitive to gluten, options like brown rice, millet, and buckwheat are excellent alternatives. And now, the seventh and often unsung hero, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds, think almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are tiny packages of nutrition. They provide healthy fats that help balance your hormones, fuel your body, and add even more anti-inflammatory power to your meals. Avocados and olive oil are also stars in this category. A handful of almonds as a snack, a tablespoon of chia seeds sprinkled on yogurt, a few slices of avocado on your toast, or a drizzle of olive oil on your salad. These small additions go a long way. Beyond muscle, healthy fats support your heart, brain, and joints. They make food more satisfying and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E. For those watching their weight, remember, a little goes a long way. Just a small handful of nuts or a spoonful of olive oil is enough to get the benefits without overdoing the calories. Now, while food is a powerful tool, it's just one piece of the puzzle. To truly rebuild and maintain muscle, pair these foods with gentle strength exercises, stay hydrated, and make sure you're getting enough sleep. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. Simple movements like walking, light resistance exercises, or even gardening can stimulate your muscles and help you stay active. Combine this with the right nutrition, and you'll be amazed at what's possible. Hydration is another key element many overlook. Muscles are made up of more than 70% water, and even mild dehydration can sap your strength. Aim to drink water throughout the day and enjoy herbal teas or broths if you prefer something with more flavor. And never underestimate the importance of sleep. It's during deep rest that your body repairs and rebuilds muscle. Try to keep a regular sleep schedule, create a calming bedtime routine, and keep electronics out of the bedroom for the best rest. Remember, small, consistent changes add up over time. Even if you start with just one or two of these foods, or add a few extra minutes of movement to your day, you're already taking important steps towards staying strong, independent, and vibrant. So, which of these foods do you already enjoy? Are you a fan of salmon? Or perhaps Greek yogurt is your go-to snack? Maybe you've discovered a new love for lentil soup, or a handful of walnuts in the afternoon. I'd love to hear your stories. Please share your age and your favorite muscle-building meal in the comments below. Your experiences inspire others and help us all learn together. If you found these tips helpful, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this resource with a friend or family member who could benefit. And don't forget, you can download your free senior health checklist using the link in the description below. It's a simple guide to help you make the healthiest choices every day. Here's to a stronger, healthier you, one meal at a time. Remember, it's never too late to take charge of your health. The foods you choose today can help you move with confidence, enjoy your favorite activities, and savor every precious moment with those you love. Before we finish, a gentle reminder. The information shared here is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any medical conditions or take medications. Your health is unique, and your care should be too. Thank you for spending this time with me and for caring for your body and your future. Together, we can make these years your strongest, most joyful yet. Thank you for watching. For more trusted health tips, remember to subscribe and stay connected with us. Your well-being matters, and together we can make healthy living after 60 enjoyable and empowering. See you next time.